This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. You do not want to miss the opportunity to own this superb brick and vinyl home with not one but two primary suites. Immediately greeted by the impressive foyer featuring a grand angled stairway and an abundance of natural light. The open floor plan throughout the first floor offers flexibility in utilizing the many rooms for relaxation and entertaining. The first floor boasts one primary suite with a private entrance and parking area. Take notice of the large eat-in kitchen, cathedral ceilings, skylights, and cozy fireplace. This home just has it all with space, a fully fenced-in backyard, and an irrigation system. The HVAC and water heater are less than 6 years old. Move-in ready and conveniently located to dining, shopping, interstate access, medical facilities, and more. For more information, review the details below.